Okay. Now today we will see catalog profiles. Okay.
Mm.
Catalog profiles, code groups, catalogs, and codes. Very important concept. This is something
Okay.
related between
Mm.
PM and QM. Means why I
Okay.
am saying QM is all these catalog profiles, all these code groups, catalogs, and codes we will create in QM. And means
Quality control.
yeah, the path will be from quality management, not from plant maintenance.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. The reason it was given in quality management is the
Mm.
catalogs can be used in both PM and QM also.
Okay.
Not only in for plant maintenance, catalogs are widely used in quality management also. Okay.
Mm.
So what is the
Okay.
use of catalogs? What is the use of catalogs? See, let us say uh, there is a plant, maintenance plant,
Mm.
and in the plant there are varieties of different equipments.
Mm.
Varieties of equipments. What are those equipments? Let us say you have wide range of pumps. Okay,
Mm.
you have wide range of compressors.
Mm.
You have wide range of motors. Okay.
Motors. Yeah.
Also, like you have different wide range of let us say uh,
Conveyors.
yeah, you can take no problem
Mm.
conveyors. So it is a very huge plant, and you have different
Mm.
set of equipments,
Yes, I'm right. Okay.
and you will have different set of equipments. Now,
Mm.
if you want to do maintenance for each set of equipment, see all
Mm.
these pumps I can differentiate in SAP all these pumps based on what object type, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
And all this can I can differentiate based on object types, correct?
Object types. Mm.
So when I do a maintenance for pumps, I know that what are for pumps uh, there are only certain reasons or causes or resolving tasks which can be applicable only for pumps,
Okay.
which means that see for a pump what can be the reasons that it may get failure because of
Maybe.
let us say
Uh,
wear and
see.
tear of wear and tear of shaft. That can be one
Mm.
reason. Second
Okay.
reason can be uh, bearing.
Mechanic.
Uh,
Mechanical seal damage.
yes, yes, yeah. Bearing broken.
Mm.
Next, as you told, mechanical seal damage.
Mm.
Okay, and uh, this what is
Mm.
that? If it is centrifugal pump,
Shaft.
you will have this rotor, no? The
Yeah.
plate.
Impeller.
Yes,
Casing
correct,
impeller.
correct, correct. Yes, yes.
Mm.
Impeller, where.
Mm.
Okay. So these can be the possible reasons for which pump may get failure. All these are what
Alignment
mechanical reasons.
issues. Mm.
All these are mechanical
Okay.
reasons. There can
Reasons.
be
Okay.
some operational reasons. Probably there might be some
Mm.
operational reasons. What are those reasons?
Mm.
Suction choke.
Okay.
and discharge choke,
Mm.
or else and
NRV failure.
sorry.
NRV failure. Non-written valve.
Okay, yes, no, yeah, non-return valve failure. Yeah, this can be also some other reasons for which pump gets failed,
Mm.
and
Okay.
there can be. So, what are these? All those you can say it
Are
as
the
causes,
causes.
causes,
Mm.
or it can be. You can also
Reasons.
consider as reasons for failure. Correct.
Okay. Mm.
Whereas for a compressor,
Mm.
for a compressor, it cannot be the same reasons as like the pump for which it gets failure. There can be
Yes.
different reasons for this. What are those one
Mm.
different reason? Let us say uh, overheat,
Piston. Okay.
overheating.
Mm.
Correct. Second, it can be based on air filter uh,
Blockage. Mm.
blockage. Correct. Air filter blockage. So if you see, based on the equipment type, your reason code is
Mm.
getting changed as practically.
Mm.
Correct.
Mm.
And for the,
Mm.
let us take again for the again if you take the pump
Mm.
uh, resolution,
Okay.
what you can do in order to resolve those kind of issues. So you can
Issues.
say like replacement replacement of bearing, new bearing,
Rings.
and
Mm.
clearing of clearing of choke. So these can be the
Mm.
resolutions. Whereas for compressor, the resolution can be uh, cooling off, allow to cooling off
Mm.
compressor.
Okay.
So if you see based on your equipment, the reason codes are changing, the resolution codes are changing, and also the task
Yes.
will get changed. Everything is changing based on your object type. So
Mm.
in plant maintenance, if you assign this and you can maintain all this kind of different uh, reason codes and
Mm.
resolution codes, everything, all you can
Mm.
assign in catalogs, catalog
Okay.
profiles. Okay,
Mm.
you will create on catalog profile and you can assign all these things in the catalog profile. And
Okay.
what we can do, you can assign this catalog profile, you can assign this catalog profile to
Mm.
equipment.
Okay.
Then what will happen? Whenever you, whenever we create a notification,
Mm.
either it can be a breakdown notification or a malfunction report, whatever. Whenever we
Mm.
create a notification for that equipment to perform
Mm.
maintenance, okay,
Mm.
automatically the catalog profile, automatically the catalog profile will be copied
Okay.
to that notification,
Mm.
which means that whoever the user or whoever raising the notification, he can easily understand what is the
Mm.
cause for which it get failed. He can tell the maintenance team, not with
Mm.
writing and all. He can
Mm.
select just he can select. So this is the reason, and this is this for this. This can be the resolution that you can perform. So all he
Mm.
can specify within the system only.
Okay.
So no need to write whatever he wants. He can no
Mm.
need to write on that. He just click on save. That gets saved.
Okay.
That is one usage of catalogs.
Mm.
There is also another usage of catalogs. What? Not only in equipment, not only in equipment, you can
Mm.
also you can also assign the catalog profile.
Mm.
You can also assign the catalog profiles for maintenance notification as well.
Okay.
Which means that when you create a notification and whenever you assign the catalog profile to that notification, and
mm,
every time you create a notification for with that notification type, automatically
mm,
the catalog profile which you have, I mean, in this catalog profile, whatever you have maintained, it
mm,
will be considered.
mm.
Okay, so
Yeah.
these are the two areas where we will use widely the catalogs for plant maintenance. See, this is all a continuous improvement kind of thing. Uh,
Okay.
means some clients are like they want the system to be in much high quality. Means they don't want
Mm,
some XYZ user to write whatever he wants.
mm,
So instead, they will decide that okay, let's create these catalogs, and they can use these catalogs. And for reporting also, it will be very much useful.
mm,
Means if I want to see for which reason my equipment is breakdown at some point of time,
mm,
if I
mm.
extract the report, then we can extract report very easily. That is purely based on these catalogs.
Okay.
Okay, and also if you go in the real time, you will see some rise of objects. You will see
Mm,
some reports.
mm.
Let us say a report for downtime.
Okay.
Means report for downtime means what? Downtime of equipment means
Okay.
every month
Mm,
or every 15 days once or every 2 months. That purely depends on what intervals they want to extract a report. They
okay.
want like for each and every day for all my equipments, what is the downtime? Okay, and for which
Mm,
reason it was down,
okay.
and what is my downtime duration? What is my
Okay.
MTTR? What is my
Mm,
MTBF?
mm.
So all they want to see in a report. Then
Okay.
this is a RESF object. In
Okay.
standard SAP, you cannot find this kind of report. So this is a
ఇంకొకటి
RESF
సూర్య,
object.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ టాపిక్ వచ్చాం కాబట్టి ఎంటీటీఆర్ అండ్ ఎంటీబీఎఫ్ వచ్చాం కాబట్టి ఆల్రెడీ ఎస్ఏపి ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ ఫార్ములాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎంటీటీఆర్ అండ్ ఎంటీబీఎఫ్.
Yes, 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 yes,
ఓకే.
yes, yes. I'll show you the T code once again.
ఓకే.
But T code for this is also very important. Huh? In interviews, they will ask what is the T code in SAP. Yeah, since we let me save this. Huh?
యా.
మీరు ఎక్కడైనా save
డెస్క్టాప్,
చేసేసి.
డెస్క్టాప్, డెస్క్టాప్, డెస్క్టాప్ పెట్టేసి క్యాటలాగ్ ప్రొఫైల్ పెట్టేసి.
Yeah, okay.
ఓకే.
Catalog, someone will use CATLOG. For me, generally it comes as CATLOGUE. Yeah, so yeah. See, since MCJB, but till today, like at least me, what whenever MTT or MTBF came, we went for a custom only.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Because I don't think SAP, there is some issue while calculating the sorry, this MTTR and
ఎంటీటీఆర్ అండ్
MTBF. Just
ఎంటీబీఎఫ్.
let us check quickly for one
ఓకే.
5 minutes and we'll directly go to catalog. One second.
ఏమైంది? క్యాప్స్ లాక్ ఆన్ లో ఉందా?
Oh, sorry. Yes, yes. ఇప్పుడు స్విచ్ ఆన్ అయింది. వన్ సెకండ్, వన్ సెకండ్. నో
ఇప్పుడు ఆఫేనా?
నో నో ఇప్పుడు ఆఫ్. నో నో
ఒక్కసారి ఇష్యూ
లెట్ మీ
వచ్చింది.
డూ
ఎనివే ఒకసారి
నేను
ఇప్పుడు ఆన్ లో ఉంది. ఆన్ లో ఉంది.
చెప్పండి.
ఎల్ఏవిఏ ఆన్ లో ఉంది సౌర్య.
ఓకే, వన్ సెకండ్. LAVA
996.
996. ఓకే, అదే.
సో అయిపోయింది. బ్లాక్ అయిపోయింది.
నో నో నో
ఆన్ లోనే ఉంది. ఆన్ లోనే ఉంది క్యాప్స్ లాక్. మీరు టైప్ చేసే ముందు వచ్చింది.
ఓకే, LAVA
996. ఇంక రాదేమో ఇది.
వన్ సెకండ్, వన్ సెకండ్, వన్ సెకండ్.
ఆ,
లెట్ మీ టేక్ బ్యాక్ ది కంట్రోల్. మీరు కంట్రోల్ తీసేసుకుంటారు, మీరు ఎంటర్ చేయండి. వన్ సెకండ్, నేను క్లోజ్ చేస్తాను.
ఆ. ఓకే.
వచ్చిందా?
వచ్చింది. వచ్చింది.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ 4 అంట. ఫెయిల్యూర్. ఓకే. హ్మ్.
Okay. Fine, fine. Yeah, we will see. SPRO
హ్మ్.
recording కదా? Okay, okay. Yeah, it's recording. Recording or not? Okay, it's recording. Yeah. One second. Yeah. Slash in SPRO SAP reference IMG,
హ్మ్.
plant maintenance and customer service,
హ్మ్.
maintenance and service processing,
హ్మ్.
maintenance and service notifications, notification processing, sorry, notification creation,
హ్మ్.
notification content, see, maintain catalogs, display catalog
హ్మ్.
entry, define catalog profile, change catalogs and catalog profile for notification type.
ఓకే.
Okay, these are the main very important nodes in SAP
హ్మ్.
PM. But
హ్మ్.
if you want to create code group codes and all, we will go to quality management. That will show.
హ్మ్. హ్మ్.
First node, maintain catalogs.
హ్మ్.
Define catalogs. See, here, these are the standard catalogs that are available. Catalog types,
హ్మ్.
these are catalog
హ్మ్. హ్మ్.
types. What are all there in this catalog types? You will have tasks, you will have usage decisions, you will have events, you will have causes, results of defects, activities, defect
హ్మ్.
types,
హ్మ్.
activities, object parts, overview of damage fail. If you want to put some additional catalog types,
హ్మ్.
then you can enter here like uh, uh, wait, I'll enter a new one.
దీస్ ఆర్ క్రియేటెడా ఆర్ స్టాండర్డా?
No, these are the standard. These are the standard available.
ఓకే.
These are the catalog types. Means if you see this Excel notepad, I
హ్మ్.
explained you that there can be reasons and causes. Correct.
ఫోటోస్. యెస్.
So if you see here, causes,
ఫోటోస్. రిజల్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ డిఫెక్ట్స్.
results
ఓకే.
of defects, defect. If you want to wish to put some
హ్మ్. హ్మ్.
additional types, let us say I'll put some additional type. Okay.
హ్మ్.
Let me copy as, okay,
హ్మ్.
zero. I'll put
హ్మ్.
like uh, reasons for interruption. Let me put this reason for interruption.
హ్మ్.
Okay.
ఓకే.
Selected set seller valuation. Everything is allowed. Okay, everything is allowed. Click on enter. Catalog type. Catalog type 0 to 9 are reserved. Okay. Then where is zero?
హ్మ్.
Here. 1 second. Zero. Zero is not there. Oh, down is there. Functions. Okay, let me use this only. F. Okay, F. Reasons for interruption. Okay.
ఓకే.
Uh, reason. I'll put something as reasons.
ఓకే.
Selected sets alert. Then click on enter. Save this. Don't make any changes. SAP. Okay, this is standard SAP provided. Okay, let me take then. Let me take Z already used. W X Y Z P Q is there or what? Q is not there, no?
నో.
Let me take Q then. Okay. Q, reason for interruption, reasons, results alert. That's it. Click on enter.
రీజన్స్ ఫర్ ఫెయిల్యూర్ అని పెడతామా? బ్యాకొచ్చి.
Uh,
ఓకే. నో ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఇంటరప్షన్ అని
why
కాబట్టి.
I'll enter a reason for interruption, I'll tell you. Okay.
ఓకే.
Catalog
హ్మ్.
types, config,
సేమ్.
save this. Okay. Now,
Okay. Mm.
now,
So you define on catalog. Okay.
in general, we will in standard only have provided. But in case if a client want to, but in order to make the client understand you, that is very like what can I say? Very lengthy concept. So
Mm.
you want to you need to explain him very clearly. Then he may come and tell, okay, then in that case, please maintain a catalog table. We will discuss that later. But as of now, since we want to put some Z, we have entered Q. Q as our
Mm.
the catalog type. Then
Yeah, okay.
then display catalog entry with all sub items. No need to go here. This is just a kind of report. No need to go here and check. Okay.
Mm.
Next, define catalog profile. This is very, very important. Define catalog profile. So let me use, let me create a new catalog profile. Okay.
Mm.
We will create for pumps. Okay. Pumps. Z pumps.
Mm.
Means we are going to use this catalog profile for pumps. Or do
Okay.
you want to use for any other thing? Uh,
No, pumps is fine.
so okay, yeah. So catalog. Later you can create for another equipment object type.
Okay, okay.
Catalog for
Mm.
pumps.
Mm.
So message type during inspection.
Mm.
This let's put
Warning.
as warning. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Click on enter.
Mm.
Now go to this catalogs slash group
Mm.
code groups. Okay. Now
Okay.
new entries. So what is the catalog? Means
Catalog.
in your catalog profile, what are all you want to
Mm.
enter. So first of
Okay.
all, I will enter this Q.
Okay.
Reasons for interruption. I
Mm.
included this and I included causes.
Okay. Okay.
Also, I included activities. Okay,
Mm.
and I include also reasons for interruption is done, causes is done, activities is done, tasks.
Mm.
Okay, and characteristic attributes also I will include. Okay.
Mm.
And also let me also include activities object parts we will include.
Mm.
Okay, and we'll also include failure mode.
Mm.
All this you can include here, and
Okay.
here you need to give the code group for identification. Z
Mm.
pump underscore q I'll give. Okay, Z pump underscore. This is just for identification. Huh?
Mm.
I,
Mm.
I'll tell you where it comes to use. Z pump underscore yeah.
Mm. Okay.
Z pump underscore 2. You can give ABCDFG also, okay, no problem.
Mm. Mm.
But for identification, I am putting some easy to identify. So Z pump
Mm.
underscore D. Okay.
Okay.
You entered the catalog, you created a catalog profile and you
Mm.
entered the catalogs and code groups.
Okay.
No catalog entry, what?
అన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలేమో.
I took it, it will take no problem.
ఓకే.
Save.
ఓకే.
It's a config again. It's saved. Right? Now come back.
హ్మ్.
CZ pumps, that's fine. Go back, save this. So Z pumps got created, correct?
హ్మ్. హ్మ్.
Now someone created many things, huh? Someone
హ్మ్.
created like this only we created for Z pumps.
ఓకే.
After creating this thing, here change catalogs and catalog profile for notification type. Here
హ్మ్.
I told you, right? We are using this catalog profiles in two areas in plant maintenance. One is at the
హ్మ్.
equipment master.
హ్మ్.
One is at the notification type.
యెస్.
If you
హ్మ్.
see the M2 notification type, you can see here. See
హ్మ్.
catalog profile. What is this catalog profile? As a standard, what is that? 1000.
ఓకే.
But if you go and assign your Z pumps, okay, it will.
Mm.
And whenever you
Okay.
create a notification of M2, then
Mm.
we can see all, what all we have defined in Z. But
Mm.
first we will assign for equipment, and
Mm.
then we will assign for
Okay.
the
Notification.
notification. Okay, but this is the node. Here
Okay.
is the node. Very very important.
Change
Definitely in
catalogs.
interviews they will ask. Okay,
Mm.
if you are creating a notification,
Mm.
and they will ask in this way: you have created a notification, and you
Mm.
want to see only uh, defined values of
Mm.
the causes and damages and tasks. So how you can do that? Where how you can
Mm.
achieve that? Like that they will ask.
Mm.
They won't even
Okay.
tell the word called catalog because they want us to
Okay.
tell. Then we will tell yes,
Okay.
that can be achieved through the catalog profile,
Catalog
and that
profiles. Mm.
catalog profile we can assign to the
Mm.
notification type, so that
Mm.
whenever we create a notification always with the
Mm.
notification type, then
Mm.
automatically uh, all the values will get picked from that catalog
Okay.
profile.
Okay.
So same case with the equipment as well, right?
Mm. Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
now we have created the catalog profile, we have created the code groups and all. Now we need to define the actual codes. Where we will
Mm.
define? Go to quality management, quality
Mm.
planning, basic data, see, catalogs,
Different catalog types.
define different edit catalogs. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
edit code groups and codes. See, what is the T code? QS
QS
code, very very
QS
important T
41.
code,
Mm.
because no one will go through the path at least for the define the catalogs. No one will go to
Mm.
the path directly. I'll enter QS
Transaction
41.
code.
You need to remember.
Mm.
Yeah, you can enter the path. This is very much fine. No problem if you also tell the path or if you go the path, because it is very simple path only. But
Mm.
these are some bit standard transaction.
Quality management.
Yeah, go to again quality management, basic quality
Quality.
planning, basic data,
Mm.
catalog,
Catalog.
define,
Catalog. Different classes. Catalog types. Correct.
sorry, edit catalogs.
Edit.
Correct,
Mm.
edit catalogs. Yeah. But before that, we will see what is defect classes, define defect classes. Here,
Mm.
there is no much involved in this thing because all this comes under quality. So better don't go
Mm.
to the defect classes. No need to go as a plant maintenance consultant also.
Mm.
Here also
సౌర్య
see
ఒక్కసారి ఈ కేటలాగ్ టైప్ లోకి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా క్రియేట్ చేసి ఉంటారు కదా ఒకటి ఓపెన్ చేయండి ఇన్సైడ్ ఏముందని చూద్దాం.
catalog types, right?
ఆ, ఆ,
Yeah, yeah, no problem. Yeah. See, let's take activities PM.
యాక్టివిటీస్.
No, no, you will only find here this thing. Even
ఓకే.
here, when we created our new catalog
జెట్
type
పంప్స్.
Q, that also came here. See,
ఓకే.
okay, both are the same nodes only. So now we will go to this edit catalogs. Okay, edit catalogs, edit code groups and codes. QS 41. Now, what is our catalog? First, which
రిలీజ్
catalog
ఫర్
we
ఇంట్రొడక్షన్.
created? So we will have open another screen. Okay, we'll open another screen. We'll put that in our screen for reference. So plant maintenance and customer service, maintenance and service processing, maintenance and service notifications, notification creation, notification content, right? Maintain catalogs, edit catalogs. Right. Here also, from here also you can go. You can, not only no need to go to the plant maintenance, sorry, quality management. Here also you can go.
ఓకే.
Same T code it calls, so no problem. Where is our uh, catalog profile? Yes, our catalog profile is Z pumps.
జెట్ పంప్స్.
Select this, double click on this. This is for reference, for my reference. So one is my catalog, correct? So come here, enter the catalog
వన్.
as one. What is my code group? Code group is this one. Z
జెట్
pump
పంప్ వన్. జీ పంప్ వన్.
underscore one. You can enter anything. Okay,
ఓకే.
that's not a problem. zpump underscore 1.
1.
Click on enter.
Mhm.
That is the
Mhm.
characters, the key zpump. Acha.
Underscore.
Oh, yeah. That is the characters plus underscore also we should not use. Huh?
Then underscore this G pump one పెట్టేసండి
Yeah.
change.
Generally should take, I think what happened? This is non-editable. Wait. 1, 2, 1 to 5
Unmute
ABDQ.
కొన్నారు.
Okay. 1 to 5 ABDQ. 1 to 5 ABDQ.
Save.
Wait. Quickly I'll create.
Mhm.
1, 2, 5 ABDQ. So we'll put without underscore zpump 1,
Mhm.
zpump 2. This is my code group.
G pump 5.
Zpump 5, zpump A,
Mhm.
zpump D, zpump D, zpump Q. Okay,
Mhm.
enter. Why it is showing like this? Code group enter. We got like list.
Jet pump or jet pump sir?
No, no, that's not
G
the
pump.
problem. That is not
Okay.
the problem. Okay,
G pump sir.
okay. Now I'll go to
Edit.
wait for just one second. Z pumps,
Mhm.
catalogs, code groups. Okay. Z pump 1.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now here, if you see here, Z pump 1 is for which one? For catalog.
Catalog profile G pump.
That is this is
Uh-huh.
for one, but one is for
But
what?
one for attributes, characteristic
Yeah.
attributes.
One is for
Uh,
characteristic attributes, correct?
yeah.
So I'll put the same description here, whatever you can
Mm.
put. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
code, or else directly simply I'll put char attributes,
Mm.
characteristic attributes. Released. It should be released. It must be
Okay.
released. Then only it will get activated. Okay, released. Then go to
Mm.
codes.
Okay.
Save this. One zpump one. Edit. Save this. Select this. Code groups. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
new entries. What is my code? I can put anything like uh, let me put as it should be 3 digit, 3 characters. Okay, it should be three
Mm-hmm.
characters. MEC I'll put in case then mechanical or something like uh, ZPM. No,
Mm.
always ZPM is not we can put. Uh, it is characteristic attribute, no? So
Mm.
we'll put some attribute. Color. Color is one attribute. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Uh, or characteristic attribute. We'll put Color of the pump. That is one characteristic attribute.
Mm.
Okay, black. Okay, and COL1. Okay, COL2
Mm.
red. Okay, and we will take another characteristic attribute which is equal to then uh, MNF manufacturer. Okay,
Mm.
we'll put mid. So this is all characteristic attributes:
Okay.
color, weight, body weight, suction,
Capacities. Mm.
capacity. All these are characteristic attributes. So MNF1,
Mm.
MNF2, wear, wear minerals kind of. This is one of the
Mm.
manufacturer. Yeah, and click on enter. We entered four attributes. Two for color or
Mm.
two for manufacturer. Okay, that's no problem. Save this. Okay.
Mm.
Now, in the same way, now what is our second code? Second catalog? Two.
Is equal
Correct?
to
Two. Two is for
mm.
what? We'll check.
task la
We'll check. Here only you can check. Two. Two is for
task.
task. Correct. Two is for tasks.
Mm.
Now, uh, task for pumps. Okay. Task for pump.
Mm.
Released. Yes. Enter. Now we will quickly see what are all can be the tasks some based on some standard. Some standard
Mm.
based on standard we will see. Let me take. Okay, here also there is one pump profile. We'll see whether two is there or not. We'll try to. Okay, two is there. UT dash pump. So go to
Mm.
QS41. Just I want to check what are all the tasks they have provided. UT
Mm.
dash pump. Correct.
Mm.
See codes. We go to the codes. Perform alignment, replace bearings. So I mean, what are the activities that you do? These are all the
Mm.
tasks. Correct. So
Okay.
G pump to codes, new entries. Okay, we will put some our own tasks. What are those tasks?
Mm.
Uh, like uh, you told no, you
ఇందాక
told some tasks.
ఇందాక నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో కాపీ చేసింది.
Uh, Resolutions, right?
Mm.
Yeah, we will put some CLR. What is the CLR? Clearing of choke.
Okay.
Okay, and second task, what we can do? ALN again, the same like
Alignment.
alignment of shaft.
Mm.
Next, MP impeller. No, so
Okay.
fitting of impeller.
New impeller. Okay.
So whatever tasks we find for the pumps, we will enter. And
Mm.
uh,
ఇవన్నీ మనకు వాళ్ళు సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా డేటా
definitely,
కంప్లీట్ గా.
definitely,
Mm.
definitely.
Mm.
But you need to ask in that way.
Okay. What
Uh,
are the maintenance
or
you are
else
carried out in the pumps?
they will tell,
Mm.
take all everything. Yeah, if they tell like take everything, then
Mm.
what we will do? We will take everything that is available from 1,000.
Okay. Okay.
For your catalog profile 1,000, everything would be there.
Mm.
This is the
Okay.
standard. You'll take
Mm. Mm.
everything, but you will send a list later.
Mm.
See, these are
Okay.
all we have configured. If you want to delete something, you let us know. We'll delete. So you can delete those things.
Okay. Okay.
So like that. Fitting of impeller, and we'll let me take some tasks from here.
Mm. Mm.
Ah, see, evaluation of replace bearings, overhaul. Okay, we'll take those things. Okay,
Mm.
overhauling. Okay, overhauling and uh,
Mm.
cleaning of cleaning of pump. So this can
Mm.
be our
Correct.
tasks, right? This can be our
Task.
task. No need to enter a follow up this thing. Huh?
Okay.
No one will go and follow functions, follow up actions, all this. All. That's not the
Mm-hmm.
problem. You just save this.
Mm.
So in the same way, ours two is also completed. Okay.
Mm.
Where is our thing?
Second one.
I think it will be better if you took some screenshot. Wait. Z pumps, code groups. Two is the five. Five.
Five.
Come here. Put five
Mm.
and Z pump five. Correct. So what is
Mm.
five?
Five I haven't
Five
seen.
is. We'll check here. Causes. Five
Okay.
is causes. So we'll check what are the causes these guys entered for five.
Mm.
Hmm. Here, if you do open two windows, no, this is the problem. ABDQ. One second. What is that? Pump profile, huh?
Mm.
Five. OT underscore pump only maintain. No problem. UT dash pump fast five. Yeah. What are all the entered standards? All these things. Okay. We'll also enter something with that only. Okay. Causes for
Mm.
pump
Okay.
breakdown. Breakdowns. Correct.
Yeah.
Down. Released. Enter. Select this row. Go to codes. New
Mm.
entries. So what can be the causes? We will take from the notepad. Okay.
Okay.
See. Yeah. Causes or reasons for failure.
Mm.
Wear and tear of shaft is one of the cause. Correct. So
Yes.
WEAR. Wear. Okay.
Mm.
Wear and tear of shaft.
Mm.
Second cause is we'll again go to the notepad. Bearing broken.
Okay.
BAR. Broken bearing. Bearing. Sorry. Bearing. Yeah. So third cause can be
Typical
impeller wear.
mechanical damage. Mm.
Damage. DAM. DA.
G. DMG.
MG. DAMG.
Mm.
Okay. Impeller damage.
Damaged.
Very, very important. It is practical. See, you can
Okay.
enter n number of multiple hundred codes also, but this you can while practicing you can enter one or two. But you
Okay.
need to know like what is the how it is interlinked and all. That
Okay.
is
Okay.
important. This and all okay, that's fine. If you enter
Mm.
three to four also for test purpose, it is not a
Mm. That's sufficient. Yeah.
yeah. So now in the same way, after five, what is ours next one?
Yeah.
Uh, Again, I need to go.
Mm. లేదంటే అక్కడ వరకు ఇప్పుడు ఎలాగో పెట్టాము కదా అవి వాటితో మాత్రం కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తే
Yeah, we will
సరిపోతుంది.
do. We can do that. We can
ఓకే.
do that. A, B, D, Q. Okay.
Mm.
So simply I will go here, put A, Z pump A.
Mm.
So what is A? What is A here? A is activities.
Okay, that's okay. Activities, object parts, failure mode.
Activities. So what activities we can do? Just let me take A, UT,
Mm.
pump, okay,
Mm.
Activity codes. We will see what activity. Replace, reject, retire. Okay, okay. We'll take enter these things. We'll
Okay.
take all these things. Copied
Mm.
here. Activities. Status is released.
Mm.
Then codes. New
Mm.
entries. Just
Copy paste.
paste. That's it.
Mm.
Okay. Save this. Save this. Okay.
Mm.
Array shit. Now, uh,
AB.
B. Ours is B. We'll put
Object oriented.
something for Q, which is not there, which we created. We'll put
Mm.
different things for Q. So what is B? Object parts.
Mm.
B is object parts. So what are all there in the object parts? So we'll take UT pump.
UT pump అని ఎవరు వేరే వాళ్ళ
Someone
మీ సబ్జెక్ట్?
someone did that. Someone did.
ఓకే.
See, pump objects. So means what are the spare parts?
ఓకే.
Pump objects. See, let's take all this. Okay. You can also enter
Mm.
on our own, but
ఓకే.
just we are doing, we have taken that from reference. Objects for
Mm.
pumps. In real time, you see, in real time also we'll copy the from the standard and we
ఓకే.
will tell the client. So these are all available. So if
ఓకే.
you want to add some additional, then
Mm.
they will enter if it is some specific, if it is for specific equipment, then say that no, no, no.
ఓకే.
These are all
Mm.
applicable for this kind of equipment, so please add those. Sometimes what they
ఓకే.
will do, no, they'll just send the manual,
Mm.
no? Equipment manual they
ఓకే.
will send to us, thinking that
ఓకే.
there's some maintenance in it.
అవునవును.
And
వాడు చేసే పని అదే.
we need to study the
మనకెందుకు?
manual and we need to finalize.
Mm.
But generally, we as a consultants, right? As a business
Mm.
SAP consultants, we will avoid all those things. We will say, see,
ఓకే.
we are not, we don't have that much time to go through, read, and we
Mm.
only read, we only decide, we only enter. No, no, that
Mm.
is not possible.
Mm.
You involve any of your maintenance supervisor or maintenance engineer, let him
Mm.
decide and give us the list. We will create.
ఓకే.
We will tell
ఓకే.
because as a consultant, we are no more into maintenance. I mean, not into any shop
ఓకే.
floor, right? So we want
Mm.
waste time and all that issues. Okay. So if you have time, if we have interest, we can tell them. Oh, in that, but
ఓకే.
no one will entertain all those.
యాహ్!
We'll simply tell that no, no, that is not possible. You please give your list. We will create.
హ్మ్.
Okay. Now D. D is what? Let me check D.
అక్కడే ఎంటర్ కొడితే వచ్చేసుంటది కదా ఫెయిల్యూర్ మోడ్. హ్మ్.
Yeah, but I need to take this reference, no? Failure
ఓకే.
modes. Okay,
హ్మ్.
failure modes. I think he has not entered anything, huh?
ఆ!
No problem. That's not a problem. We will enter. Hey, shit. One sec, one sec. Why it is coming? Okay. Whereas ours failure mode.
యాహ్!
Yeah. We will enter our one. Failure modes. Status code group is released. Enter.
హ్మ్.
Select this. Codes. New entries. Failure modes can be uh, wait, MEC, mechanical failure
హ్మ్.
mode.
ఓకే.
Mechanical failure. Okay. OPER, operational failure.
ఆపరేషన్.
Okay. ELEC. Also, there can be electrical failure.
ఎలక్ట్రికల్.
Correct.
ఓకే. యాహ్! ఓవర్‌లోడ్
Yeah.
సంథింగ్ సంథింగ్. హ్మ్.
Also, that is also a good point. Over
హ్మ్.
overload fluctuation. Okay.
హ్మ్.
Fluctuations. Uh, This is fine. And what is our another thing?
E.
E. E, yeah?
Mm. Mm.
Okay. E. Z pump.
Z pump E.
What is this E? Ah,
అక్కడే
defect
వచ్చింది.
locations, huh?
డిఫెక్ట్
Defect
లొకేషన్స్. ఓకే.
locations. Means defect locations can be mm, new entries. Let's take like mm, means which location the defect is there, kind of thing.
ఓకే.
Uh, what will take? I'll take some reference. Wait, I'll take some reference. Directly go to QS41
Mm.
E UT pump.
Mm.
We'll see what. Nothing is
ఇట్లా.
maintained. Huh? Nothing
Mm.
is there. Okay, we will maintain. Shit.
No.
We will maintain our own. Thinking what defect location will put as SUCT. Defect is at
Suction
suction,
in. Mm.
and head.
Discharge.
Uh, Head and suction is both are same. No, sorry. Discharge.
Mm.
DASC. At discharge.
Discharge.
Okay. Then OUTL. Okay.
Outlet.
At
Mm.
outlet, outlet end.
Mm.
These are the different locations. Okay.
ఓకే.
Save.
సో జీ పంప్ అనే కేటలాగ్ క్రియేట్ చేసాము. జీ పంప్ లో కోడ్స్ డిఫైన్ చేసుకున్నాము. కోడ్స్ లో ఈ వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ టాస్క్స్ డిఫైన్ చేసాం.
Exactly.
రైట్.
Exactly. This is how we interlink.
క్యూ
Q
లేదు
is our
ఈవెన్.
own creation. Correct. Interruption.
ఓకే.
Reasons for interruption. So we'll put some reasons for interruption.
ఇంటరప్షన్.
So you can also create like this. You can create anything you can create based on the requirement. Codes. Now, what is my interruption code? Interruption code is nothing but I assumed in that way that for what is the reason that the work is getting interrupted. Okay, so what is the reason? Uh,
ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ చెప్పగలుగుతాము. రీజన్ అంటే ఎట్లా?
yeah, lack of
మ్యాన్ పవర్. ఓకే.
manpower.
ల్యాక్
For
ఆఫ్
that
స్కిల్.
reason, my work is getting uh,
డిలేడ్.
delayed, and skill, lack of uh,
స్కిల్.
technical skill, and let me enter.
టూల్స్. ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ టూల్స్.
Yes, sir. Non-availability of
టూల్స్.
tools, and let me take one more. Uh, overloading, overload or uh,
అంటే చేసి.
non-availability of work center.
ఓకే. నథింగ్ బట్ ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాన్ పవర్ కిందకి వచ్చేస్తుంది వర్క్ సెంటర్ కింద.
It comes with yeah. Now I created some decent enough reasons, everything and all. Okay. Wait 1 second. Let me check on this. Your plant is what? ABC1, right?
యా.
Uncheck. Selected set. No need to enter. Selected set codes. Yeah, don't go to. I'll tell later. This is enter the QM concept. Selected set, but I'll tell
ఓకే.
later.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Because we came here. I'll tell. Okay, now our profile. What is our profile? Z pumps, correct?
యా.
Go to E02. We'll see. We'll see what is the list of our equipment. ABC. Equipment hierarchy, bomb explosion, enter, expand hole, is the pump, here is Cherno,
9000693.
display change, structure. Where is that? Organizations.
And
See here.
the catalog profile. Okay.
Here. Catalog profile. What is our catalog profile?
ZPump.
ZPumps.
ZPumps.
Just enter the ZPumps. Okay. Catalog
Save.
performs saves. So master data, so no transport here. Okay.
Mm,
Now, before creating a notification and want to show you the impact, I'll
mm,
go and check whether is there any standard catalog
mm.
profile already assigned for the notification.
Okay.
Okay, because I will show you the impact, how it
Mm.
takes and all.
Maintenance.
Notification overview of
Creation.
notification creation, notification content, change
Upper
catalog,
catalog.
catalog profile for
Okay.
notification type. Our notification, let's standard notification M1 maintenance request. See,
Okay.
catalog profile is 1000.
Yeah.
But we
Mm,
created a different catalog. Let it be 1000 is the
mm,
catalog profile. Okay.
mm.
Now
Okay. Okay.
I am going to T code IW21.
Mm.
IW21 is for what? Create notification.
Maintenance notification. Okay.
M1 is my notification type. Maintenance request. Okay.
Mm.
Let us think I am an operator entering the notification.
Maintenance
Maintenance
of
of maintenance
pump.
needed
Mm.
for pump.
Pump. Mm.
So what is the pump? Uh,
1 0 0
yeah,
6931.
16931. Okay, enter that here.
Mm.
Just click on enter. Everything it takes.
Mm.
See what it came.
Okay. Mm.
Catalog profile
Catalog
copied
profile.
from equipment. Okay.
Mm.
Now, if you
Yes.
go to
Mm.
this item part,
Mm.
see object part where it took.
GPump B.
Yeah, we created that object part right in the B under
Yes.
B
Yeah.
code.
Mm.
Okay, so I'll put impeller. Let us see damage.
Mm.
What it will take from
Mm.
where it will take. Damage we didn't enter. We didn't enter any code. Okay, okay, we'll enter for damage also. Okay, cause.
Mm. Others మనం పెట్టాం.
Yeah, we entered causes.
0.5.
Damage is something it we left. Quickly we'll enter
Mm.
damage. We'll enter.
Okay.
We'll
But
enter.
where is the damage option?
Yeah, we will see. See, if you see here catalog. What is your catalog for damage?
Okay.
Damage. No, no,
No damage. Yeah.
no damage. Reasons for interruption. I think we need to create them. Defect types, results of defects, resolution tasks, damage. Okay, damage is not there. Then that's no problem.
వాళ్ళు డ్యామేజ్ యూస్ చేశారంటే ఆబ్వియస్ గా డేటాబేస్ లో ఉండాలి కదా డ్యామేజ్ కూడా.
That's what. That's what.
Hmm.
We'll see one second. What are the maintaining damage? So no failure. These things. But one second. Where is damage codes? Damage. Um, Acha, damage. Okay, we'll create a new one, huh? For damage.
అక్కడ PM01 డ్యామేజ్ అనేది కూడా క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం కింద.
Anything we can give, but let's
ఓకే ఓకే.
take ours only.
Hmm.
Okay, but I was a bit surprised. How come? One second. QS41.
Hmm.
Damage from where it took. No problem. I will create a new one. Catalog. What? Oh, which one I will use? So we have used Q.
Hmm.
ABCFGHIJ, ABCFGH, now చూడండి ఏబిసిడి మర్చిపోయాను
ఏంటి?
ABCDFGHIJKLMNOP కదా
ఓకే.
K is not there, huh? Okay.
Ah.
K is not there. Let's use K. Okay. Okay. Z pump. K.
Mm.
Okay.
Does not exist.
K does not exist. Ah, no problem. Yeah, sorry. First, I need to define, no?
Mm-hmm.
Where I will define here. To maintain catalogs.
Maintain catalogs, define catalogs.
Maintain
K.
catalogs. K. K.
Damage.
Damage for pump. Okay. T A M A G
M. E.
P.
Okay.
Damage P. Okay.
Mm.
Enter.
Okay. Mm-mm.
R E R. A through reserved. A B C F G H I K L M N O P Q R. Let me take R. R is
Mm.
also shit. R S T U V. Sorry, let me take then one is also reserved. No.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, we take nine. Nine is there or what? All
Go
alphabets
for
is
P.
used. Sorry.
P కూడా అయిపోయిందా?
P కూడా
అయిపోయింది. అడ్వాన్స్ రిటర్న్స్
shit. U V W X Y P Q R అరే
అన్నీ అయిపోయాయి.
అన్నీ అయిపోయాయి. Then what?
ఐ రిజర్వ్డ్ కాదు
Wait, wait.
కదా.
I'll put
ఎఫ్
some
జి
star. I'll
హెచ్.
put some star. Star. I'll put. I think it won't allow. Let's check. Special characters it may not allow. Ah, yeah,
ఓకే అయిపోయింది.
yeah, I'll take.
Mm,
Yeah, it gets star. Okay,
mm,
star is for damage. Damage for pumps. Go to
mm,
uh, edit catalogs. Sorry, this thing. Define catalog profile.
mm.
Z pumps. Okay, catalogs and code groups. New entries. Star. Okay, star.
Mm. Z pump star.
Z pump. Star it won't take it's a special character. So Z pump
Okay.
D. Already we entered D or what? No problem. Then
No.
also it can take. Okay. Now QS 41 star.
Star.
Correct. D.
Mm. Yes.
Enter. Damage for pumps released. See there are several options here. Huh? You don't
Mm-hmm.
want to don't want to use that. You can set flag and can no longer be used. Then it will not show.
Okay.
It's temporarily deactivated kind of thing. Okay, new entries. So what are the damage code? Let me take from the reference. Huh?
Mm.
So okay, let me take some faded dull finish. Something we'll take faded dull finish, improper fluid level something.
Mm.
Okay, FAD, faded, faded dull finish, FLUID, fluid, improper, improper fluid. Let me take two only. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
save, save. Then exit, then edit catalog
Retailer
also exit.
profile.
This is also exit. Now I need to refresh what I will. Let's see. Did refreshed.
Mm. వచ్చేస్తుంటుంది.
Did
అక్కడే డైరెక్ట్ ఎంటర్ ఇవ్వండి. జెడ్ స్టార్ అని మనం డ్యామేజ్ గేమ్ ఇచ్చాం.
damage we give.
స్టార్
No, no, that right. Okay, you turn saying Z pump
జెడ్
D.
పంప్ డి.
Uh, in this D, No eccentric exists for criteria. Why? Okay, let me do one second. One maintenance of pump equipment, maintenance of pump object part impeller.
Mm.
For why damage it is showing entire thing? I not
అది
understand.
మినిమైజ్ చేయండి. అంతా ఒకే డ్యామేజ్ తీసుకుంటుంది.
Still, we are not getting why. What happened? One second. Cause,
హ్మ్.
cause. Okay, this and all it took.
హ్మ్.
Failure mode. Let me check the failure mode. Failure mode also it took. What happened for damage? Mm, damage. Why it is not taking Z pump D? Right. We have not saved or what? We have saved no.
హ్మ్. హ్మ్.
Take no. Why? What happened to this? Everything it was taking. But what happened to damage? We'll check. We'll check one second.
హ్మ్.
It should yeah. That also right. Yeah, raw reference MG. Did I set that to released?
యాహ్! యూ చేంజ్ స్టేటస్ టు లిస్ట్.
Manage service notification, notification creation, notification content, maintain catalogs. Will again just a second. Star is
ఫస్ట్‌లోనే ఉంది స్టార్ పైన స్టార్టింగ్‌లో.
okay. Star is there. Acha, keyword will
హ్మ్.
DIMG.
హ్మ్.
Keyword also is not taking right.
తే
What is the other edition? Probably because of star, it is something not accepting or what?
హ్మ్.
Z pump T. Let me take Z pump T. I think star we cannot keep. I think that
బట్ కీవర్డ్ గూడా మనకు దానివల్ల యూజ్ ఏముంది కీవర్డ్ పెట్టడం వల్ల కూడా?
nothing much use.
ఆ!
Wait. Z pump D.
ఆర్‌జీ పంప్ డి ఓకే.
Released.
రిలీజ్డ్. కోడ్స్
Okay.
కోడ్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఓకే.
Code is also proper. What is the issue? I'm not understanding. C pumps star. We have kept. Uh, mm, something fishy. Wait. What is where is the equipment? I'll remove and reassign. Let's
హ్మ్.
see from enter, save, and I will reassign. Display change, organization, Z pumps, and save. Also,
హ్మ్.
wait, I'll do one thing then. Also, I'll go to SPRO, reference IMG, think some here. Let for the time being, for M1, what I will do, let me remove this.
హ్మ్.
I haven't put anything. Let me remove this. Now, go to M1, IW21, M1.
నోటిఫికేషన్ M1. హ్మ్.
That's fine, not
నోటిఫైడ్
catalog, maintain. Maintain error from pump, Enter the flow,
Equipment
the equipment.
6931. Enter.
Will pick from the equipment, correct?
Mm.
Failure mode, a mechanical failure. Okay.
Mm.
Object part. Okay,
Pillar.
casing.
Okay. Casing.
Now,
అవే వస్తున్నాయి.
first time for me it is showing like this.
అందుకే
Directly
కొన్ని
it will
వస్తున్నాయి.
take. It will take from. I think some. Why it is?
అది కాన్స్టెంట్ గా అందరికి కనిపిస్తున్నట్టుంది.
Yeah, that's what. See, again, this is not supported.
Mm.
Acha, okay. Wait. We'll check that. We'll check that.
Okay.
But as of now, we'll give. Rest of the things is coming, so let's give those.
Mm.
Uh,
So created the notification. Okay.
all this
Almost.
fine items.
Mm.
C
Okay.
pump B. Okay, it took
Mm-hmm.
tasks, code group, code group. You'll enter all those tasks and it will
Mm-hmm.
automatically takes. Okay, activities.
Okay.
All it takes from our pump catalog. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
all it takes. And all is fine, but I don't know why. What is the
Mm.
problem here with that this thing?
Mm.
Well, we can check that. Okay, that we'll check.
Mm.
Oh, like this.
We have created a notification.
If for an equipment, the
Mm.
catalog will get changed based on
Mm.
your catalog profiles. Okay,
Okay.
so a notification got saved. Now,
Mm.
let me put back the standard notification type. Okay, let me put the standard
Mm.
notification type to my maintenance maintenance notification creation, notification content, change
Type string.
catalog
Mm.
profiles, go to M1. You can also create your own notification type also. There
Mm.
is an option. You can also create the Z1 notification type, and you can always use the Z1 notification type for your equipment also.
Okay.
So let me, I will tell you. Now I have removed I have reassigned the catalog profiles back to the notification type M1,
Mm.
and I'll come and I'll remove this Z pumps. Okay,
Mm.
I removed this Z pumps. Now, if I create a notification for the same
Mm.
equipment again, AW21 M1, enter when I needed for pump, equipment is pump, correct? See,
Mm.
now what will happen?
Catalog profile not copied.
Yeah, catalog profile, everything will be took from our standard.
1000.
Yeah, in this 1000, see, here also you have this zpump D.
Mm.
Apart from this, you will also have all the standard things.
Mm.
But whereas previously, what happened when I selected the catalog profile for the equipment, only
Mm.
that particular
Mm.
uh,
Catalog profile
failures
will be
only
generated.
code groups
Mm.
only it's shown. Correct.
Mm.
But whereas
Mm.
if you remove that on a generic level, it will show. Means
Okay.
entire things it will show.
Okay.
Okay. So in this way, so as I told you, if I want to enter a separate notification always for my pumps, okay.
Mm.
But generally they don't happen. But in case if they want to tell, if they tell that okay, I need a separate notification for my
Mm.
particular equipment, then what we can do?
Mm.
Not again come here, maintenance and service processing, maintenance and
Mm.
service notifications, overview of notification type, correct? Overview
Okay.
of notification type. Here,
Mm.
see, these are the configurations of these notifications, standard notification
Okay.
configurations. See, if you go to
Okay.
M1, for example, M1,
Mm.
see, what are the screen areas that should show? Okay, screen structure
Mm.
for extended view, See,
mm.
means each tab what all it should show.
Mm.
Means
What fields? Okay.
మనకి ఒక
Mm.
స్క్రీన్ లో ఏమేమి చూపించాలి,
Mm.
ఏ కేటలాగ్స్ అసైన్ చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ లాంగ్ టెక్స్ట్, మొత్తం ఇంకా స్క్రీన్ మొత్తం ఎట్లా కనపడాలి
Mm. Mm.
అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. ఈ
Okay.
ఈ పర్టికులర్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ వాంట్ డూ మచ్ హియర్, డోంట్
Okay.
వరీ. బట్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఇఫ్ దే టెల్ దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఎనీ, నాట్ ఏ వన్ నైట్ యాక్టివిటీ.
Mm.
They tell that I wanted different screens for different notifications. You can go and you can come and change here, but don't focus
Okay.
much on this. But just
Okay.
be a, have an idea on what all you can change here. No
Mm.
one is
Okay.
expected to tell everything you will tell in even in interview point of view. Just in
Mm.
the overview of notification type, we can control many multiple parameters such as defining of new tabs in the notification,
Mm.
assigning of catalog profile. All
Mm.
these things you can do here. Okay. Now what I will do, I will define notification types. I will come here, define notification types. Okay.
Mm.
I'll
Mm.
copy some standard notification type.
Mm.
I'll enter it as ZP, yeah?
Mm.
ZP, maintenance request for maintenance MNT request for pumps, only for pumps.
Okay.
And see here in this catalog profile, I can
Mm.
enter my pumps catalog profile.
Catalog profile.
So with this, what will happen? Ach, what is this? Yeah, ZP already exists. ZX. Let's try ZX. ZX. Okay,
Mm.
ZX. With this catalog, with this new notification type,
Mm.
always whenever it new notif for pumps only. Okay,
Mm.
enter, save. Now I need to assign all the screen settings and all, correct?
Mm. Mm.
So go to overview of notification type, check for Z1, ZX, sorry, ZX, correct?
Okay. Mm.
ZX. So here, if you see, all we need to enter, correct? All we need to
Okay.
configure each and everything.
Mm.
So better what I will do, I will I will take the M1, okay,
Mm.
and I will. I mean, I need to enter each and everything. I need to enter each and
Mm.
everything which is like M1. Let me quickly do that. ZX, correct?
Mm.
I think what is
అంటే
this?
ఇది మనకు కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ కే కదా సోకే అది
Yes, yes, we are configuring for the ZX
ZX.
notification
Mm.
type. Okay. Wait.
అంటే హౌ ద స్క్రీన్ షుడ్ బి అపియర్
Yes,
అంతే.
exactly, exactly.
వాట్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ద ఫీల్డ్స్ అవైలబుల్.
If I go to IW21, I'll put ZX, nothing will come. See, priority type and not nothing is maintained. Screen
ఓకే.
setting for notification not maintained. Copy standard.
Mm.
It will take the copy of the standard, but better we will enter. It,
Mm.
it takes, there is no issue. But
Mm.
you can see the basic things and all only will come. No
ఓకే.
standard. As per M1, it won't come. So that is the
ఓకే.
reason I will assign all these things. Right.
Mm.
I will go to SPRO. I will take. I am opening another window. Again, go to this maintenance and customer service. Go to service processing. Service notification. Overview of notification type. Okay.
Mm.
Yes, display log data. Because in another screen I opened now, so that's why it showed display
Mm.
log. So just for my display only this is.
Mm.
So screen areas. So yeah, screen area is what? 100, 0100, right?
H100.
H double H 100
mm,
0100. Like this
mm.
only, we will, if the client asks to have a different,
O100.
oh, sorry, O100, sorry, O100. If client asks to configure,
Mm.
we'll do the same thing. We'll copy from the standard only.
Okay.
And later we can change accordingly.
Okay.
Okay. So, screen structure and all, I need to see. Nothing is there here.
Yeah.
Everything I need to enter now. Tab is 10, right? Tab is 10. Tab. Okay, yeah. Tab 10 slash tab 01. Okay.
Mm.
Then so just copy all these things. Tab 05, 005, 0010.
Mm.
It will take automatically here 005 reference update. In which screen area one what we want to see. So
Mm.
all these configs are the double zero
Zero
zero one zero zero
zero
thirty
one
two
zero
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 one
three
zero.
two 015. 010 032
Yeah, 032
015.
015. So all I am copying
Mm.
in the same way. Let me check. Okay.
Okay. For all the remaining tabs, we
For
have to
all the
copy
remaining
all
tabs
together.
also, we need to copy. See,
Then we
configuration
have
is
it.
nothing but copying standard only. Yeah.
Mm, mm, mm.
Generally, we will think no something because all we do is just take the copy and do the this thing.
DC5 to AB.
DC5 to AB. DC
5 to AB.
to, but only change is
Mm.
you will have a different
That,
catalog profile here.
yeah.
Okay, class active tick mark.
Mm, mm.
That's it. Next, rest of the things are pretty much.
ఇప్పుడు సేవ్ చేసుకుంటా చేసుకోలేమా
Yeah,
ఒకేసారి?
you can do.
ఆ,
Format long text,
లాంగ్ లైన్ నో టెక్స్ట్ చేంజ్ ఎనేబుల్డ్.
long line not,
Currently,
and
that's it.
see priority type also it asking.
PM.
The PM priorities. So what is here actually in the list? Claim priorities, PM priorities, QM priorities, maintenance, production priority, general notification priority. I will put it as same PM priority.
Mm,
Next, partner determination, uh, maintenance request, PM.
mm,
Okay, determination procedure. It took ZX maintenance request performs PM. Okay, notification. Next, partner functions approval. Uh,
mm.
all this. Okay, implementing department. AV department WVW. Oh, we'll change some different one. Customer hierarchy. Oh, they entered which department here? AB, AB. Department responsible. Person responsible. Who is the person responsible? VW.
Mm.
V VW. VW. Function for packaging. VW. Okay. All right.
Mm.
Save this. Now I'm just saving this. Okay. Next,
Mm.
standard output. What is that standard output? So nothing is there. That's fine. Status profile. Nothing is maintained. Huh? Okay.
Mm.
But you can also enter the status profile, but I'm not entering any status profile. Okay.
Mm.
General engine notification for task. That's it. Now I have saved this, correct? Now I got idle
Mm.
21 ZX.
Notification
What are
type
all the previous errors and
ZX.
all? It will not return now.
Mm.
Directly it will display
Okay.
the standard all the screens. This happened why? Acha, only notification came.
Notification has came.
I-
Remaining enabled అని
that's what. One sec.
allowed last one ఇక్కడ లేదు దానిలో
Screen error. This is only H100 screen structure for extended view. All these are
ఇక్కడ
allowed.
ఇక్కడ
No?
ఇక్కడ ట్యాబ్
Wait. What is the T code? Directly will go to T code only. There is no T code. Huh? Fine. Sequence IMG. Customer service processing, service notifications, notification type, hmm, ZX, ZX, serial notification, okay, tab header we gave, and what way it happened like this,
అట్లాగే ఉంది
all are the same only, hmm, screen structure for simplified view, hmm. Plus active, also catalog, all are same only, wait,
Mm.
okay, this fine, wait 1 second. Oh shit. See,
Mm.
only one tab we entered. Huh?
ఓకే
Only one. That is the reason. Wait.
కాపీ
The problem is here in this screen setting you don't have that copy option. 10 tab 02 tab. Okay, no problem. 04065. Reference object. Okay. Object. Then yeah. Save this. In the same way, we'll also enter. There are multiple tabs. Tab 1, tab 2. Again, come back. Go to tab 05. Tab 05. If we click only, then it will understand that it's a tab. It
ఓకే
should come in that screen. Okay. And just enter, save, go back, new entries, again. 6 tab 6. Again, it's a basic tab only. So just put here tab 06, correct? Tab,
Mm.
enter, save, go back, new entries, tab 07, all these are tabs only. Yeah?
Mm.
Uh, tab 07, tab, enter, save, next go back, new entries, again go back here, 08, maintenance plan tab, tab 08. See, tab header also I can give here, means
Okay.
whatever you give here, that will shows there in the tab
Okay.
what it want to show and all. Maintenance. This is how we define screens and all.
Mm.
We want to show in the for each notification if they might ask I need a different screens, then we can command control.
Configuration.
Yes,
Mm.
we can command control here. When I plan, then tab 10 is item. Till item I'll create. Okay. Rest
Mm.
of the tab 11, 12 you just create. Huh?
సౌర్య ఒక ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లాంటిది క్రియేట్ చేద్దాము సౌర్య ఇప్పుడు సో ఫార్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ కవర్డ్
Yes,
సో
definitely.
ఒకటి
Still
రియల్
ఇంకా
టైమ్ గా
వెళ్ళనివ్వండి. ఇంకొక
ఓకే
4, 5 classes వెళ్ళనివ్వండి. So that you will get at least some 80% reach.
ఓకే ఓకే
Hmm. I'll give you scenarios. You can just go and entirely you can do
ఓకే
starting from master data to execution of order. But for that, you
షూర్
will need to go to execution of order level. Okay.
ఓకే
So tab 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, you just create. Okay. Now
ఓకే
I saved this and now I go to IW21. Previous ఒక tab కనిపించింది కదా.
అవును
See now you see all this came. The rest of the things, if you create, then also that will come here.
ఓకే
Hmm. Okay. So like this, we can uh, use this catalogs. Catalog.
ఓకే
So very important. We just also practice because